Hello students, today we are going to do some more problems of matrices. In that our next question is, if capital A equal to 1 minus 2 3, 2 3 minus 1, minus 3 1 2 and capital B equal to 1 0 2, 0 1 2, 1 2 0. Then examine whether capital A and B commute with respect to multiplication of matrices. Commute what is important? To examine the commutative property, we have to find A into B and B into A first. At last we have to examine that A into B, B into A equal or not. If equal, say matrices are commute. Product of matrices is commute or multiplication of matrices is commute. Otherwise it cannot be commute. We can say that. Okay. Now first of all we have to find A into B. Consider A into B. A matrix 1 minus 2 3, 1 minus 2 3, 2 3 minus 1 minus 3 1 2 into B matrix 1 0 2, 0 1 2, 1 2 0. Now multiplying them, the order of first matrix is 3 by 3, the order of second matrix is 3 by 3, the columns of first matrix are equal to the rows of second matrix. So the product AB exists. We can do as like this. Understand? We can do the product as like this. First row, first column, 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 1. This is first element. Next, first row, second column, 1 into 0 plus minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. This is second element. Third element, this first row, third column, 1 into 2, okay, plus minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 0. Next, second row, first column, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1. Next, second row, second column, 2 into 0 plus 3 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2. Second row, third column, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus second row, third column, minus 1 into 0. This row, this column, 2 into 2, 3 into 2, minus 1 into 0. Understand? Next one, third row, first column, minus 3 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. third row second column minus 3 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Next, third row third column minus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 0. We can take the product as like this. Now we have to simplify it. Understand? We are going to simplify it as like this. Understand? Now simplify it. 1 into 1, 1 plus here 0 plus 3. 1 plus 0 plus 3. Next this one 0 minus 2 plus 6. 0 minus 2 plus 6. This one 2 minus 4 plus 0. 2 minus 4 plus 0. Next second 2 plus 0 minus 1. 2 plus 0 minus 1. Next one 0 plus 3 minus 2. Next 4 plus 6 plus 0. 4 plus 6 plus 0. Next one minus 3 plus 1 plus 4. This one 0 plus 1 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 2 plus 0. Okay? Now it can be taken as 1 plus 3, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 1, 5 minus 3, 2. This is 5. This is minus 4. This is the value of A into B. The value of A into B matrix as like this 4 4 minus 2 1 1 10 minus 1. Okay, this can be written as like this minus 3 into 1, 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. This is, see one thing on here, minus 3 into 1. First row, first column, 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Next, this is again, check the value, minus 3 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. So what will come here? Minus 3 plus 0 plus 2. It will be minus 1. Understand? 2 is like this. Okay? This row, this column, minus 3 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Next, minus 3 into 0, 1 into 1, 2 into 2. Understand? Next, third row, third column. Do as like this. This is the way to find A into B. Next, we are going to find B into A. Understand? Let us see how to find BA. Okay? Let us check the value as BA. So, take matrix B first. Next, matrix A. 1 0 2, 0 1 2 1 2 0, okay, into matrix A 1 minus 2 3 2 3 minus 1 minus 3 1 2. Okay, let us see how to find BA. First of all, let us check that B into A exists or not. If exists, continue it. Order of matrix B is 3 by 3. Order of matrix A is 3 by 3. Columns of first matrix equal to the rows of second matrix. That's why matrix multiplication is possible. So let us multiplying it. First row, first column. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3. First row, second column. 1 into minus 2 plus 0 into 3 plus 2 into 1. First row, third column. 1 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Okay. Next, second row, first column. 0 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3. Second row, second column. 0 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1. Second row, second column. Next, second row, third column. 0 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Next, third row, first column. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 0 into minus 3. Understand? Next, third row, second column. 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 0 into 1. Next, third row, third column. 1 into 3, okay, plus 2 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2. Okay, now take like this. Now we are going to simplify it. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 minus 6. Next, minus 2 plus 0 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 2. Next, 3 plus 0 4 plus 0 4. 0 plus 2 minus 6 minus 6. 0 plus 3 plus 2. Next, 0 minus 1 plus 4. Okay. Next, 1 plus 4 plus 0. Next, minus 2 plus 6 plus 0. Next, 3 minus 2 plus 0. Understand? We have to simplify as like this. Now 1 plus 0 minus 6. How much will come? 1 plus 0 minus 6. This will be minus 5. How much will come? This will be minus 5. Next. Okay? Next 0. And next 7. Minus 4. 5. 3. 5. 4. 1. Understand? Minus 5. 0, 7. Minus 4, 5, 3. 5, 4, 1. This is the value of BA. Understand? So what is happened? The value of AB not equal to value of BA. Here A into B value not equal to B into A. That's why we say that hence A and B do not commute. A and B do not commute. It means the matrices, the multiplication of matrices is not commute with respect to multiplication. With respect to multiplication. Understand? With respect to multiplication. Understand? So always remember one thing, the product of matrices not commute, means the value of A into B not equal to B into A, which is not equal. Understand? Okay. Then the next question is, we are going to do one another question as like this. Okay. If capital A equals to I0 minus I0 0 minus I, then show that A square equal to minus I. Let us see how do we do this problem. Here also we have to find A square. Do A square as like this. We have to consider A square equal to A into A. I0 0 minus I. Another A, I0 0 minus I. Multiplying them, what will come? See, first row, first column, I into I square plus 0 into 0 plus second row, first row, second column, do like this or otherwise, I into I plus 0 into 0, first row, second column, I into 0 plus 0 into minus I, second row, first column, 0 into I plus minus I into 0. Next, second row, second column, 0 into I plus minus I into minus I. What will come? Let us check it. Here in the first element, I into I square will come. Okay? Second element, 0 plus 0, 0 only. Third element, 0. Fourth element, minus I into minus I. Okay? I square value always minus 1. Understand? Since I is an imaginary, I square value minus 1. Minus get common, 1 0 0 1. This is equal to identity minus I. Understand? The remaining problems we should do in the next class.